Planning, Ross and Company. I am starting out this morning. It's wet out there. I don't know if you can see that. But I'm actually running ahead of schedule, if you can believe that. So I want to go ahead and get started because it's wet out there, and you know, traffic's crazy when it's wet. So I want to go ahead and get this started so I can get to as many homes as possible this morning. I'm starting out this morning at a house. I'm going to flip this camera around for you. Starting out at a house I've called Somerset. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1981. It's a little over 1,400 square feet. Now, I will tell you, I was disappointed when I came in. There we go. There's no electricity in the house, so it's going to be kind of hard to see stuff. I've turned my light on the phone, so hopefully you can see better. Oh, there's my favorite thing about getting up in the morning, my coffee. Excuse me one second. It was a long night. I didn't actually finally stop everything, getting kids ready for Christmas parties, until 2 o'clock this morning. So, it feels like a Monday. So, this house is listed as a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus room. Now, a little bit of, I believe this room that I'm in right now is what the seller is considering the bonus room. It is a room just off the front door. I'm standing with my back to the front door right now. So just off to the left is this bonus room. Then you have a little entry foyer here. Fireplace, living room. Let me come on down real quick. I won't take long because, like I said, there's no lights in here. We've got a front bathroom right here. And the tub is behind the door here. Okay. The hallways feel wide, which is nice. So you've got your first bedroom right here to the right from the hallway, and then a quick zigzag over here. You've got your other bedroom. Then to the left of your hallway is the master. Closet, built in 81. I would say your standard closets in the master bathroom, decent size. Look at the shower head though. Okay. For the age of the house, it's standard. So I want to show you my best. I'm going to take some assumptions here. This wall, not sure is original to the house. I can't tell. Maybe it is. The paneling. There's paneling right here. So maybe it is. I would take the wall out. Open this place up. Make it feel a little bit bigger. We do have a 2-car garage right off the kitchen inlet right here. I'll show you real quick. So door back to the backyard. I'm going to show you the backyard real quick. Again, this is the house I'm calling Somerset. It is in the Somerset subdivision. Did you know, little fact here, Somerset is a county in southwest New England. And it's famous for one of my husband's favorite things, cheddar cheese. Who knew that? Google knew that. Wikipedia knew that. I did not. So we're gonna step out here into the backyard just real quick because it's wet and cold and rainy. And I didn't send my kids with a jacket this morning. Oh, such a bad mom. Swing around here. So nice backyard, nice little deck right here. You've got another door here off of a bedroom. Okay. So I'm gonna go back inside so I can warm up. And I am going to head on over to the next house. If you want some more information on the Somerset house, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is priced at $149,900. Give me a call, let me know. We can schedule another showing just for you. But stay tuned, heading over to the next house.